this video, I'd like to cover a new feature that's been added to the user story generator. There's a new button allowing to export the rows and retain this formatting as best as possible, meaning the hard returns at a bare minimum. So if we click this Excel with format, what we will see is that the rows have all of the metadata. Everything's good. Now you say we don't see any hard returns here. Well, let's enable editing. Let's click on this column and let's wrap the text. Sure enough, the hard returns are retained now. Also with a green background, all that now you could change with the formatting. Trying to bold the individual words is something that I might look to do in the future, but for now, one of the biggest things I was seeking is the ability to at least read the acceptance criteria as well as the story in a similar fashion that it appears on the web page. So while again the individual words aren't highlighted, something perhaps for the future, the hard returns are being retained. That's in contrast to if you export just with the pure Excel, you will get the rows without any of the hard returns. So we will wrap it and it kind of just runs together. So to save a little time, this now gives you the ability to have the hard returns retained, and if you like the bold for everything, great. If not, you want to change it, you have full control to be able to do so. Thanks.